The IQ Fenton House student accommodation of Wellington, Sheffield is a luxurious mixture of pastel living spaces and colorful communal lounges, creating an ambient residence for students seeking a home in a new land. At the Fenton House, students can choose from a wide range of studio and ensuite spaces. Soothing bedrooms, bathed in natural light, are accoutred with wardrobes and decorative shelves overlooking a spacious private study area. Wide windows peep into the monastic living space as a friendly breeze calms your busy day. The in-house gym and gaming area help tame the flitting mind, whereas the cinema room is a necessary distraction to free the same. The kitchens are petite and ideal for a breakfast of grilled cheese and tomato soup before school. Students from the University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University have popularized this building's central location by making their way through the thoroughfare on misty early mornings, or by chattering away with groceries from one of the two Sainsbury's or the Iceland supermarket, the ends of baguettes and basil peeping out of their large brown bags. On weekends, the Peace Gardens beckon the reflective with a fountain, a castle, and some tales from the parchment of history. At the same time, the National Video Game Museum seeks a willing aficionado into these neon digital lairs. On Sundays, the burgers and beer are a low-key scandal if a lucky fox, while BB's Italian Sheffield is where the cheese melts on bread in the shiniest, most luscious folds. Life is a curious tale at the IQ Fenton House for young and ambitious students who wish to etch their name and feats in the land of the bards. Hear its heartbeat and book a stay with amberstudent.com today.